Nobody built these places for a movie, but every single one looks like the opening scene of one. A glowing door carved into a frozen mountain. A giant gray dome sitting on a tropical island, like something that had crash-landed there. Rusted metal towers rising from the sea. A forest where every tree died at once. These places are completely real. And here's the strange part. You are not allowed to visit most of them. Here are 5 forbidden places on Earth that look exactly like sci-fi movie sets, and the real reason each one is closed off might surprise you. Number 1. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault, Norway. 400 feet inside a frozen Norwegian mountain, behind a glowing concrete tunnel and sealed metal doors, sits humanity's backup plan. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault stores nearly 1 million seed samples at -18 degrees Celsius. It was built to survive wars, disease outbreaks, and even climate collapse. It's designed to outlive the civilization that built it. Number 2. Runit Dome, Marshall Islands. From above, it looks like a crashed spaceship sitting inside a tropical reef. The Runit Dome is a massive concrete cap built over a nuclear blast crater on a tiny Pacific island. Between 1977 and 1980, the United States filled the crater with over 100,000 tons of radioactive soil left over from Cold War nuclear tests, then sealed it under thick concrete. The island is off limits today. Warning signs surround the area because plutonium remains buried underground. That gray dome against the bright turquoise water looks like something a movie studio would design. It wasn't. It's real. Number 3. Red Sands Mountseal Forts, United Kingdom. 7 miles off the coast of Kent, tall steel towers rise straight out of the Thames estuary on stilted metal legs. The Mountseal forts were built in 1942 to defend Britain from German air raids. Today, they stand rusted and abandoned, with narrow walkways hanging above open water. Writers have compared them to a lost movie set from War of the Worlds. The forts are mostly off-limits because the structures are unstable, and the sea below is cold, deep, and dangerous. Subscribe now, because the next 2 places look even less like movie sets and more like warnings. Number 4. North Brother Island, New York City. You can see this place from the shore. It's an island in the East River, covered with crumbling brick hospitals, overgrown streets, and thick forest. You can see it clearly, but you can't reach it. North Brother Island was once a quarantine facility, and later a rehabilitation center before being abandoned in the 1960s. Today, it's a protected bird sanctuary. Only a handful of research permits are issued each year. Number 5. The Red Forest, Chernobyl, Ukraine. West of the Chernobyl nuclear reactor, radiation from the 1986 disaster killed entire stretches of pine trees. The trees turned red before dying, leaving behind one of the strangest landscapes on Earth. Rusting gas masks lie scattered on the ground. Old machinery remains frozen in place. Some trees have grown into unusual shapes. Parts of the forest remain off limits because radiation still lingers in the soil. This might be one of the most realistic-looking science fiction landscapes on Earth. Drop a comment and tell us which of these 5 places you'd most want to see from a very safe distance. And subscribe, because the world's most extraordinary restricted places deserve to be understood, not just feared.